All right, this is I just want to kind of show you guys what is in version 1.0. Okay, version 1.0. Export your Serato to DMM, so it does not make any changes to your Serato. It just reads it only. Maintains the order of crates and expanded status. Link your DMM to Dropbox only for audio playback. So you only need to do this feed option if you need to do it. You want to play back your audio on your mobile device. Scan your playlist for cover arts and more information, and maintain the waveform and skip through songs with ease on your mobile device. View music tag information and access your Serato library anytime, anywhere on your mobile device. So you're literally just taking your Serato with you to listen, manage, whatever you want to do with it. Okay. All right. What I expect to release in the next couple of versions from now is the like upcoming feature that I'm currently working on and plan to release. You know, hopefully with growing support. Would be to you be able to edit your media tag, and also there's going to be an advanced tagging where you create a set of parameters and you can select easily kind of group songs in different categories, right? Which is the which is more of the advanced tagging. Um, and also the DJ stats. So you'll be able to see your stats on what you play a certain time and how often you play it in given certain period. That way you'll be able to kind of see what you're playing often. So so that would be your more of a DJ stats, a little more advanced. You'll be able to see charts and grids and kind of give you an idea of what you play at a given time. Crate renaming and order. So you'll be able to make a rename your crates on your mobile device, and it will reflect back into your Serato. So if you change the name, or if you change the order, or you move it around, it will maintain that. Waveform editing, so you'll be able to edit your waveform on your mobile device. A media star rating, so you'll be able to this it's a little trick. There's a little cheat that's gonna be implemented where you're able to see your star rating in Serato, but it's not really a star rating. It's actually using like just reading a text and and making it look like a star rating, but it's not really. But it will kind of give you an idea of what rating you've set, and but the app will make it a lot easier for you to do that. So that way you just drag in the rating system, and then it would just reflect back on your Serato. Hot queue editing, you have to edit your hot queue on your mobile device. Real time DJ on your mobile. So you'll be able to take the same track you would play on your Serato and practice and see what way you want to manage. When you go on stage, kind of give an idea to practice on your mobile. You don't have to, but it's something that's an option. You sync, so the syncing of any modification you make on DMM mobile device will sync back into your desktop version, which will sync back into your Serato. It doesn't touch your database. Your database is still intact, so it doesn't do any modification there. It just makes the new crates for you here. Song popularity. So any song you have, it will be able to see whoever have the same song. So it checks a certain code to see whoever have the same song, and how many people have the exact same song as you, and how many plays have they done, right? So you'll be able to see stats on certain songs to say, okay, this song is really popular, everyone is playing it, and one of my favorite feature I'm going to be implementing is you'll be able to share your playlist. So what would happen is someone will share a playlist with you. It will automatically pull the same song that's on that playlist that you already have. So for example, if you already have a bunch of songs that other people, sometimes when you have a playlist, um, automatically pulls the same song that they being shared. So you're not really sharing the music. You already have the music. Is just creating a new playlist for you that somebody is giving to you. You'll be able to check your media duplication. I know a lot of people complain about that. You save a lot of space. You'll be able to see what songs are duplicated, so you can kind of get rid of them and make new space. And also, the most important thing, you can make new crates on your mobile device. Right now, like I said, the main primary focus is mobile device for now because we already have Serato that's doing the job. Right now, I'm trying to make it so that way it's more mobile for you to be able to do the exact same thing, you know, as on your Serato, right? So you're on the bus, on the train, on a plane, you'll be able to do the exact same thing as managing your tracks, your crates, your songs, checking your duplication, sharing with other DJs and their playlists. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna move into the main tutorial. Okay. I'm the creator for DMM software. I'm just going to show you guys how to use the new DMM 1.0 coming out very soon. It's quite simple. There's not a whole lot of great features to be excited about, but there's more features going to be coming up very soon. So I'm excited to explore some of those new ideas that's going to be implemented in going forward. So let's get started. So what we're going to, the first step is we're going to go into our settings. We just have to select our Serato folder. So once you select so make sure it's this main Serato folder, okay? Or else it's not going to work. So make sure you select the main Serato folder. Over here you see your Dropbox link and then your reset. So if you want to start all over again, you do have the option to select reset. So before we go, let's close this here, and then all we gotta do is click on this, and it pulls all the tracks for you. You can see everything is kind of getting populated, and we're ready to go. You can see all tracks are here. What I like doing is I like my cover arts. Cover arts are, I love cover arts. I don't know why. So for that, I'm just gonna click this icon right here, and then I want to scan all. So what that does is it scan each track to get a cover arts, and I think it also gets the your play counts as well. So if you really want to see your play count, this is very important that it collects that information here. It doesn't take much to get done. It shouldn't take long. Depends on the amount of tracks you have, but generally doesn't take long. As you can see, our tracks is scanned. You can see some of our cover arts are displaying here. Next step here, you're gonna see our tracks in here. You can see we can do a simple playback. It will get you uh, your tracks, your information, your playback, your keys, so if you have any color settings that you've done on, let's filter it here, so you can see any color settings that you've done on your Serato, it would just show up in here. You can do a playback, right? And so there's a lot more features that's going to be coming up. Like I said, this is version one. It does have a very good search feature here. It took a while to get done, but it's really good. It's just very basic, so it will search every single categories. So if you're looking for, you know, a certain amount of kind, anything, it will find it for you. Anything in the tags or keys or BPM or anything, it will kind of give you the results on that. All right, all right. So the next step we're gonna do is I just want to show you guys the night and day mode. So if you click on that, it will give you the night and day mode. So, I prefer dark mode, but some people like it bright. So it's really up to you here. So before we go forward here, you got your play, of course. You have your play, you have your stop option here. It kind of gives you some information. Like I said, version 1.0, there's a lot more features I want to add in there. So this design might change going forward, but I just want to kind of make the basics, kind of get it going. But there's a lot more features that's going to be added going forward as well. Um, Okay, so the next step I want to show you guys here is the Dropbox feature. This allows you to be able to do a playback of your audio. So if um, you want to be able to listen to your tracks or whatever you're playing, you're able to do your playback um, uh, on your phone, on your mobile device, right? So right now the main focus is the mobile device, but there's gonna be, going forward, once people make more requests, it's based on the requests that's, by the DJ community. All right. So I'm gonna click on Dropbox here. You can see here, I'm gonna click on Dropbox to log in. So, all right, it's going to give me this right here. I'm gonna allow, and all right. So Dropbox is in. We're gonna click on that. As you can see, we're logged into our Dropbox. If you don't wanna, you can always log off. But once you have that done, next step is you just right. So I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna say sync to Dropbox. All right. I might just cut it out. You can see I have 245, 43. So all the tracks right now are being moved over to your Dropbox. Depends on the space on your Dropbox. Um, um, I would have loved to be able to transfer it directly to your of if media your phone device, but for some reason Apple has restrictions that prevents any media that's not created directly on the device to be uh, imported into your mobile device for some reason. I don't know why. So the only way to kind of get around it is we have to use like a cloud service to be able to get around it. As you can see, all our tracks are going in there. All right, so we're back. You can see our tracks are scanned. You can see if you look at the left over here, um, anything you see blue, it means that we have been transferred over to the cloud. So you can do a playback not only on your computer, you can also do a playback on your phone. Okay. I just did one folder for now, but it's up to you. You do have the option to do whatever you want to do with it, right? Um, I'm trying to see what other features I want to show you. Like I said, this is version 1.0. There's a lot more features that's going to be added coming up very soon. This is just to kind of get the ball rolling and get people interested in this project. I'm hoping you guys as excited as I am with this project, and you know, uh, spread the word. So the next tutorial is going to be I'm going to go into the mobile device now, and I'm going to show you guys what's going to happen when you open up the device on your mobile phone. All right. All right, welcome back, and let's get started here. This is pre-recorded. So open up the app here. You can see I'm scrolling. Yeah, lots of songs. So the same thing that you had on your previous list is now populated on your uh, from the DM software. So all your songs are now moved over to your mobile. So you're able to manage it, look at it, change your tag information. It's a lot of cool stuff with it. So, all right. So right now you can see your crates. You created now there. You can expand it. You can expand it. You can view it. All right. So right now you can see your sort settings, your general settings, and your sync options there. You can change the color to light and dark. So you can see this is the light mode. I mean, some people like it, some people do. I like my dark mode, but hey, you can see I'm just messing around here. Just kind of give it a nice flow. I just want to kind of show that how fast it is, how efficient it is, right? The goal is to expand on it. So this is not just, version one. That's it. It's going to be more expansion to it, right? I'm just going to do a playback here. You can see just my internet is a bit slow today, so it's all good. It happens sometimes. All right. So just your regular crates and playlists, and just gonna show you playback here. Okay, so I just selected the song. See, the song plays. It shows up at the bottom, so you're able to play it. All right. You see, you're able to play it. You can skip. All you gotta do is tap, and when you tap it, you can skip through songs. I mute out the songs just in case, so the software doesn't get copy strike. So yeah, so the song is muted. No, I don't think it's muted. Sorry, I lied. Yeah, so you can see the songs are playing. You can skip. You can also use the buttons manually at the bottom there. So you can kind of go up, down, +5, -5. Towards the bottom there is a green indicator that indicates where the song is at that level. Alright, so I don't think there's any much here, but the next thing I want to show you guys here is the sort feature. Putting it back to dark mode because I like dark mode better. So if you select the sort feature here, you're able to sort songs. It almost feels like I'm doing nothing, but yeah, I just want to kind of show you guys everything. I just want to give you guys an idea of what this is and what's going to be, and um, expand on it, right? The search is very nice, very fast, has a nice flow to it. I worked very hard trying to get that search. I got to make sure it's on point every single time you search, because most of the time as a DJ, we're just searching constantly, and we need something like real, like there's no time to think about it, or loading or anything like that. It has to be on point. All right, you do have the sort by option here, so there's gonna be more sorting feature that's gonna be added in there. So you're able to search songs, so you sort by plays, artists, BPM keys, genre, right? So, like I said, more coming. Okay, once you select your sort option, you're able to click on the top there, and it will sort it by that, whatever you've selected. In that case, I was sorting by BPM. Now I'm sorting by play, so the play will change. All right, cool, eh? Okay, sort by plays. You can see the play number changes. It sorts by the play count, how often you played it. Okay, I think there's one more options I want to show you guys before anything else. That one is coming very soon here. So if you do select if you swipe to the right, you click on the advanced option there, you can see that it will show you all your tag information for that track. Like I said, more as the version expands, you'll be able to change that information, and that will reflect back on your tracks. So if you change anything here, all your tracks will reflect back on Serato. So if you change title, the tag, there's a lot more advanced feature that's going to be added in here. This is just like I said, version 1. Okay, very cool. All right, you swipe left, and you're able to see your crates. But I think the goal is to make it as snappy as possible, right? And of course, you have your sync option here to sync. So whenever you first sync, sometimes there's a slight delay on the sync. Um, so a little bit you have to wait for it to go to the cloud, and, and then go to your device, right? So there is some latency there, but I don't think it should be a problem. Okay. Okay, and also your color tags are now for your songs, or you can see them on your left there. Red, whatever color you set up on Serato will be updated on here. So it shouldn't be a problem here, right? So if you have some tracks there in red, it will show up in red. If you have some tracks there showed up in, whatever color, it will show up in those colors. Okay. Version 1, more features coming very soon, so please just bear with me here. Support this project, help out with this project, really try my best here, please. I'll really love the support.